Hi my YouTube family, how are you all? Today I am going to create a makeup look with a new brand. The name is BeautyAct and we are using all the makeup products by BeautyAct as well as the brushes by BeautyAct. Now I am doing the unboxing of first of all the brushes. So you can see this one is number 109 and it's Precision Complexion powder brush. It is perfect for blending all kind of powders, and here you can see how it looks like, and you can see, and these are super soft. I'm going to use these in my makeup tutorial. The number is 109. If someone wants to know the number, I'm mentioning 2 times. All done setting brush is for highlighting and contouring, and they have high quality synthetic hairs. Let me open it. This one is super soft and you can use this for highlighting and contouring, contouring of nose as well. Depends, if you use small brush for contouring then it's okay. If you use large brush for contouring face, then you can use large one. The number is 114. Next we have number 106. It's Airbrush foundation brush, and you can see from here it's a foundation brush, and I have checked this one on their outlet and I really love this one. You can note again the number is 106. It's foundation brush. Next we have Pointed Precision foundation brush. It's number 103. It's also foundation brush. You can use it to apply foundation and use this one to blend foundation. Okay, mostly people apply with fingers and they blend with finger beauty blenders. It's up to you. If you are using brushes, then this one is for application and this one is for blending. This one is Illuminating Fin Fan Brush. It's in the shape of fan and you can see it's for highlighting. Mostly we use fan brushes for highlighting, and you can also use it for contouring, and it's the number 115. And I use this kind of brush for highlighting my chin, forehead and my cheekbone. Next we have buffing foundation brush. It's perfect for liquid and powder kind of brush, and you can also use it for foundation and for powder as well. It's up to you. It's also super soft and it's number 102. It's for buffing. You can use powder to blend it over foundation. Next we have Touch Up foundation brush number 120, and here it is, and this looks so nice, and I am using this brush for the first time. This one is for touch up as they mention. Airbrush finish, ideal for liquid and cream products, and you can use it for the purpose if you came across your foundation is not equal and you want to reapply foundation on some parts, then you can use this one for touch-ups. The number is 120. Next we have full face powder brush. It's number 100. This one is really very nice and I love this brush. This is how it looks like, and I like powder brushes. It's number 100. Next we have Sculpting Bukhi powder brush. It's number 107, and you can see how beautiful it is. I just love this. It's super soft. Concealer brush. You can use this for concealing as well as for blending eyeshadows. It's up to you, but it's better if you use it for concealing. Dual-ended brush, and it's number 117. It has two ends. You can use this one to apply concealer and use this one to blend concealer. It's up to you. I will use it as eyeshadow brush. One thing I want to share about these brushes before ending my video, these brushes are super soft and their hairs are synthetic, and I have never seen before. Maybe I have not used so many brands. This is the reason, but I really like these brushes and these are super soft. Now we will use these brushes in our makeup tutorial. I'm going to upload next video with a makeup tutorial with beauty brand BeautyAct, and all the products will be from BeautyAct, and these will be the brushes I will be using in my makeup look. So stay tuned for the next makeup tutorial. And if you like this video, so don't forget to like and share with your friend. I hope you like this video. Till next video, goodbye.